Yeah, this is Mexico. Mexico stand. And this is, yeah, this is Mexico.
And this one,
Mexican Caribbean. And this is I don't know, Costa Rica. Yeah, this is Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Costa Rica. Everywhere is ready. Let's go and see Nigerian stand. My country, Mexico. Cuba. Argentina down there. That's Cuba. That's Argentina down there. This is Barbados. Barbados. Which country is this?
you check.
Which country? That's Argentina.
But there's no Nigeria.
Yeah, there's Nigeria. Oh, of course there is. There is. This is Americans. See, American. So. Yeah, there's Nigeria. Hello, bro. There's Nigeria. That's Americans there. Nigeria is down. This is USA. It says visit what? This is Jamaica. This is Orlando. And yeah, it's American. This one is what? This one is what? This is Florida. Man, still what? Yeah, that's making sense. Aluba. Man, still at work. And Mali. Oh, it is Arabic. This is Amman. I don't know which country is this? Which country is this?
Asian, isn't it?
Yeah, this is Asia. That's Red Sea there. This is land is Saudi. Saudi Arabia. Yes. Saudi. Saudi Arabia. You see how beautiful this place is? It's making sense. Oh my god. Can you see this? I don't know. This is Qatar. Qatar. This is Qatar. And this is Middle East. What? Middle East. this. Sincerely, Emirates. Sugar Arab Emirates.
Buongiorno! Buongiorno!